Kubor nagaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Ke Menteri Kepada Petja ketenat ke Koit ke Khiah bat ke rep ke Riang ke Dr. Maisel Amperin Lingdo haringkat ki kato kat ningut ki MLA ke Rilum Jaiñtia kila hiar shanong ba jowai ban ye kendo ye ki officer Jong kini ki tenat ban bud din bat pleu jengmut Halor ke Koit ke Khiah ke rep ke Riang bat ke kompenya ye ki projek ki ba penteri kam hapo ki artli ki district kata ke West Jaiñtia Hills bat ke East Jaiñtia Hills district. Ya kini ke cingelang nega zonal meeting ke badan lang ki MLA ke Rilum Jaiñtia ki bakin tup yo MLA ke Hamlarem uba lakmen rembui MLA ke Jowai wailat miki Shilla MLA ke Mokayau Nujor ki Sungo bat MLA ke Sutnga ke Kong Santa Mary Shilla la penlong ha conference jong ke office terekam ke Soil and Water Conservation mi mentedu West Jaiñtia Hills hagas ni palai jong ke tayo. Ningkong ke menteri kala play jengmut bat ki officer ke tenat ke Koit ke Khiah bat apun sngoro halor ke Jaiñtia jong ki dong trai asya ki baki ya kendo hapo ke district. Hadin kani ke menteri kala don Jaiñtia lang bat ki officer jong ke agriculture, horticulture, bat research district and local research station bat laboratory jong ki artli ki district. Ki officer kila batai bat peniru ya kerukam pentrai kam je ki skim bapher ki bayadai bat karep karyang nolor ki wei ki kam ki ban penmentoi ye ki nong song snong. Ki wei ki officer sarkar ki beladon lang hagni ke sngi ki long ke kong Isa Wanda lalu IAS Secretary ke Sarkar Jilla kepada pet yang ketenan Agriculture but Farmer Welfare West but East Jaiñtia Hills ki Deputy Commissioner jong ke West but ke East Jaiñtia Hills ki bakin top ya uba BS Soklia but u Abhilash Baranwal ki ki IAS but Superintendent of Police jong ke West Jaiñtia Hills District uba Chempang Serti.
Actually, the meeting today, Madam has personally sent us to come to be here today. It's because the meeting but they don't come. Health is one of the most the big issue actually in the state. So there's a lot of things that we have to streamline in both the district, the East Jaiñtia and the West Jaiñtia. Therefore, ma'am, she came here to find out what are the issues and the problems, and we had raised some issues. The MLs were here, all the I think 4 or 5 MLs were here from the Jaiñtia Hills. So we raised many issues that what are the issues, what are the real problems in our district, both the district. So therefore, for that case, she had taken initiative that things will work out well in the future, slowly. Of course, everything can't come immediately, everything can come at the same time, but slowly there will be much changes in the future. Our government is trying very hard to make a lot of changes in every department, in every sector. So therefore, we are here for the review meeting and also to make better changes in the future. So for better service, we are here to, we can tackle a few problems, especially in the CHC and the PHC and the civil hospital in Khiah and the Yelong civil hospital. We are here to tackle a few points, especially we don't have much manpower at the moment. So the officers and madam is also here, our secretary, so we'll take up the matter slowly. Actually, it's the negligence of the doctors, and what can we say? We have all spoke about that also today, that doctors and nurses should always be there 24 hours. Health is a very important, health and the police department is a very important sector, so they have to be there 24 hours in any time. Even if the doctor is on leave, another doctor should be there or a nurse should be there. That's all. Cultures, even our people also, some are interested, some are not interested, so what to say also. But those who are interested, the agriculture department is trying their best. Whatever funds they have received, they have given to the beneficiary. So that is the thing only. They're trying their level best, all the officers. We have got 2 processing unit, right? Just now we spoke about the processing unit. We've got 2 processing unit in Jaiñtia. So on that, I think the processing head, I don't know what is his name, but he said that there are one more proposal is still there. So then try and implement that also in the. They have given a few lakhs of rupees to the Asha, I think for 2-3 months. So for the festival especially, and also I think the director Ram Kumar, he has taken the priority on them, that there are problems in Asha group. I mean, the Asha people are facing is that they're not receiving their monthly salary. So I think they're given some salary in this, I think 2-3 months. I'm not so sure, but I've seen the amount they've given already.